is the baker's chance really to show us their little bit of an artistic flair.
When selecting a new refrigerator, there are 3 things you must consider. First off is the overall dimensions. The refrigerator itself must fit into the final installation location. So measure the height, the width, and the depth of the location.
I love refrigerators.
We saw people in the streets ready to put 2018 in the rearview mirror and say hello to 2019. We also saw this dog with a banana. A festive atmosphere in the heart of downtown Orlando is what it's all about.
Let it rip. Let's fight an epic battle. I demand that you leave at once, sir. You are breaking and entering. Dry up, Dursley, you
We are in the beginning of a mass extinction.
Little did their neighbours know that in this quiet corner, this quiet pretty little corner in the Kent countryside, at the cottage just over my shoulder is where
Hey, come on, you're gonna shoot somebody shooting me!
Aye.
Yeah. I just want to talk about mind control.
I'm Kim Possible. I got this. Kim, jump in there!
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead.
Your salvation is at hand. Isalka! Yeah!
Pick out your whip so you can nay-nay. Pick out your whip so you can nay-nay. And do the stanky leg, do the stanky leg. Throw a little stanky leg, do the broken leg, do the broken leg. Do a little stanky leg, do a little bit stanky leg. Come on.
Yes, see, I didn't see, yes, see, I didn't see, yes, see, I didn't see, I didn't see.
My name is Cleveland.
You've yeed your last haw, Big Iron.
So, hold up my conspiracy theorists out there. This gas station right here claims to be selling diesel for P11, but in fact, if you turn to the other side of the sign here, they are actually selling it for P14. Which is it, Obama?
You okay, Annie? You've been hit by, you've been struck